Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a completely free RDP or VPS lifetime use, no credit card. Let's get started. First, open Deepnote.com. Here you normally get a 14-day trial, so create a free account. You can sign up with Google or with an email, one step and your account will be created. I'll select my Gmail and click Next. Continue, and the account is created. It will ask for a few details, so enter them. Choose Personal. After that, pick anything, it doesn't matter. I'll choose Advanced randomly and continue. Same process again, follow the exact steps I'm doing, or choose your own options. When it asks for a name, give it any name. I'll call mine Powerful RDP, and continue with the first option. Now you have the 14-day trial and your RDP/VPS is created. Important note, there's one big issue. If you leave it idle for 15 minutes, it will automatically close. So let me show you how to fix that. Click whichever item has stopped shown and open it. A full panel appears with all your VPS/RDP details. On the right side panel you'll see a stop machine icon, click it to stop the running machine. This takes about 30 seconds, wait until the machine stops. Now you'll see 3 lines or 3 dots next to it, click that, and choose the last option, auto-shutdown. Change it from 15 minutes to 24 hours. That means the machine will only shut down after 24 hours of inactivity. After that, click Start Machine and your VPS/RDP will boot up. Once it starts, click Terminal, then click the plus button to create new terminal. Ignore any error messages, the terminal will still open. In the description you'll find some commands, copy and paste them into the terminal. The first command is apt-update, run it to update packages because this is a Linux environment. After the update, run the second command to install NeoFetch. If it asks for confirmation, press Y to continue. Once installed, run NeoFetch to see processor and RAM details. It may show a large RAM number, but in reality you'll have much less, it's just showing system info. Now, to make the RDP accessible, copy the command listed in the description and paste it, then press enter. When it asks, choose the first option LXDP, type 1 and hit enter. Now sit back and relax, it will take some time to process. After it completes, your RDP will be fully ready. Next you'll be asked for a port, use 3389, this is also in the description. Enter that port. Now set the password. First run apt install sudo to install sudo. Then run sudo password, when prompted. Enter root as the password, and type root again to confirm. This root password will be your RDP login password. Open a new browser tab and go to pingy.io. Sign up, I'll sign up with Google. Inside Pingy, select the TCP option from the left menu. Change the port to 3389, same as before. Select your region, for example, Asia if you are in Asia. Now copy the link shown. Go back to Deepnote, paste that link into the terminal or input field, and press enter. That gives you your RDP IP. Copy everything after the //. On your PC, open Remote Desktop Connection. Paste the link into the Remote Desktop address field. Click Connect. Press Yes if prompted. Then enter credentials. Username, root. Password, root. Click OK, and your RDP should connect in a few seconds. Now you can open a browser on the remote desktop. Check internet speed, watch YouTube, everything works. This RDP comes with a US IP, and you can use it for watch time or light tasks. A reminder, keep some activity every 24 hours so the machine doesn't auto-shut down. And that's it, your free RDP/VPS is ready.